everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural. Today I will be trying a recipe I found online. I'll be giving my hair some TLC using molasses hair mask. Now there are so many molasses that you can find in the store, but the key thing is to use unsulfured molasses. I am going to be using the blackstrap organic molasses that is unsulfured. Here are the ingredients that I will be using to create this wonderful hair mask. Yes, it is so great and you guys will thank me for it. So first of all, you will need to have a 1/4 cup of whole milk yogurt. So just put that into the bowl. Next, you will need 2 tablespoons of unsulfured molasses. Molasses is very thick. Molasses can be used as a hair mask and it can also be digested. Molasses is a byproduct of sugar cane and it adds a lot of minerals including vitamin B6, zinc, potassium, iron, calcium, magnesium, and copper and selenium. We're going to get more into all these ingredients and all these benefits of molasses. The best way to use molasses is to take a tablespoon of molasses with a glass of warm water, and this helps you with anemia, fibroid, if you have heavy bleeding, digestive issues, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. It also gives you a lot of energy if you don't have that energy to run around with the kids, and in addition it helps with graying. So if your hair is turning gray, when you use molasses on a consistent basis, about give or take 6 months to a year, you'll see changes in your gray hair. To the mixture, add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and also a few drops, 2 drops of rosemary essential oil. When you've added all this in, it is time to mix it. Make sure you mix it very well. And once you've mixed it, it turns color into like a caramel kind of shade of color. As you can see, I only have one little gray hair or white hair. This hair is actually platinum white, and I'm going to keep a watch on this hair to see if it changes into a copper shade, and pretty much that is what I'm gonna do. Now my hair, I am sectioning it off and I'm applying this molasses. Now this molasses is very messy, so if you're gonna use it, please wear a shirt that you don't really care much about. If you guys have ever used molasses in your hair or you've taken it as a dietary supplement or something for your health, please comment down below and let me know. Let me tell you, as this was going in my hair, I thought it would be very sticky, but it really wasn't that sticky. It felt really good going in my hair and it really clumped my curls a lot. After I applied it throughout my hair, I massaged my scalp with it just to kind of intensify it. Yes, it is so messy. Wear a glove. So you want to keep this in your hair for 15 minutes. Make sure to cover your hair with a plastic cap. Now after the 15 minutes was done and over with, it's time to rinse it off. It's rinsed off really easily. My hair felt really soft. Now I was thinking that I could actually use this as a deep conditioner after shampooing my hair. The person that I saw this molasses mask from on the website online, they said to use it as a prepoo, but I think next time I will use it as a deep conditioner because my hair felt so soft. I mean, oh my gosh, it was so soft. I was like, what in the world? And my scalp was clean, but of course I had to shampoo my hair afterwards. So I shampooed my hair and this is the state of my hair after the molasses was done with, and my hair, I'm loving it. I am totally loving it. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more DIYs from me and more hairstyles and things of that sort, comment below, let me know. If you've not yet subscribed, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe and share this recipe with someone you love. Okay, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.